Hi, I am Khushbu Krishnani. I am doing MS in Signal Processing and Communication of Electrical Engineering Department at IIT Kanpur. Welcome back to my channel, The Dream Called IIT. Disclaimer: for all those who have already watched my video on everything about winter admission, need not to watch this video because I have discussed this in the end of that video. For preparation of any interview, it is always better to have an idea about the questions and type of questions asked in the interview. Obviously, we can't depend on them completely, but at least we can have some idea regarding the topics covered in the interview. Through my videos, I am trying to cover as much as I can for interview guidance. But for me or for anybody else, it is practically impossible to cover all departments of all IITs. The best people to know about the interview questions are the students who themselves were selected in the interview last year and are currently studying at IITs. Why I am telling last year is because they will have most recent information. But you might be thinking that you don't know any of them. How should you contact them? For that, I suggest you to use a platform called LinkedIn. I hope many of you already know about it, but for those who don't know, basically LinkedIn is a professional networking platform to help people getting connected to either get jobs or to recruit for the jobs. For now, it is not much useful for you. What you should focus on is how to get connected to IITians using that LinkedIn platform. So here are the steps. Create a profile with your basic information. Why I am telling basic information is it takes time to build up a good LinkedIn profile, but you don't have to do all that right now. You just enter your basic details. For an example, let's assume that you are applying to MS of Signal Processing and Communication at IIT Kanpur. So you need to know about the questions asked in the interview. So the basic profile that you created, in the education section, you should add MS in Signal Processing at IIT Kanpur. That means it should look like you are presently studying in IIT Kanpur. Why I am telling you to do this is LinkedIn is basically a networking platform. The sole purpose of LinkedIn is to connect people. So the moment you enter that education detail in your profile, LinkedIn will automatically suggest you and recommend you the connections of alumni of that IIT, of that department. Out of all those connections, you have to find the one that is relevant for you. Of course, you can find more than one. You can tell them that I am preparing for so and so interview. I have applied in this department. Can you please help me with the questions asked in interview? I'm sure they would definitely love to help you. So this way you can connect with IITians pretty soon. I hope now, irrespective of your branch, you can find relevant connections for you. If you found this video useful, please like and share the video with all your friends that may require this information. I have started an interview experience series of students of IITs so that you can know the specific information and questions regarding a particular specialization. To keep getting similar information, hit the bell icon and subscribe the channel. See ya, keep hustling.